Divorce is a very expensive proposition. Oftentimes, people will come to us and say that I want to save money and do it myself. It becomes more expensive often without an attorney because we come back a year, 2 years later and we're fighting about how the property was divided. It wasn't done properly. The agreements weren't drafted properly. The arrangements with the children were ambiguous. A good attorney, in my opinion, will help negotiate settlements. He will advise you what the law says, but ultimately it becomes your decision of how that's going to settle out. Litigation is the expensive part of a divorce case. So anytime we can avoid that via mutual agreements, that's what we're going to strive for. So one of the things we certainly do as attorneys, we're always bringing it around and doing that cost-benefit analysis, helping our clients to understand it, understand which one's financially better versus which one's emotionally better, and help them come to that conclusion to their own satisfaction. I think that one of the things that helps me be a better attorney is having been through a divorce myself. I went through the period of time where I was doubting myself, doubting my actions, wondering what I could have done differently, and I like to think that that makes me empathetic to my clients' needs, keeps me in better communication with them and understanding of their feelings as they go through their trauma. Having personally gone through a divorce, I know that when I was single, I thought it was the greatest life in the world. That when I had my children during the week, I could be the best dad in the whole world. And the other week when they were with their mom, I could be the best single man in the whole world, and it was very enjoyable. But it was interesting, a psychologist once told me, that says, to look at it from your kids' perspective, they never had the perfect world. To them, the perfect world is having an intact family with both parents. And that one's always really touched my heart and made me realize that when people come to me, if there's any chance of reconciliation and preserving the family, that's our ultimate goal.